Night again, my boss. Disappointing result. But how you feel about the game tonight?
Well, first thing, I think the coach come out too defensive. First thing. Too much central defender on the field. Right? So my take is if the coach trust Damion Lowe so much, use Damion Lowe role on the defense. I use a natural midfielder to play the midfield role.
So you'd rather see somebody like a king in a midfield?
Who can pass a ball, who can break the line with them long pass, through the space them or any little thing.
You know, so him have Dwayne Atkins, him have Casey Palmer. So why you think him never play him today?
Well, I think him don't trust him, but me as a coach would rather use Casey Palmer and Atkinson in the midfield role as a natural midfielder than the Damion Lowe. It doesn't make sense. We could use Damion Lowe down on the defense because what we do now, we kind of hold back the side, you know. Yeah, we don't really unlock the natural attacking talent we have now with a Damion Lowe in the midfield. You understand? Yes, and that's my whole take on it. We start too defensive.
Yeah, and definitely because the kill will build up play, but even so, with even the times where we did get through to the forward players, front forward, though they came in on good form, never did, you know. See first get locked down. So what you think did make them just falter so?
Alright, me personally watching the game, I think Guatemala can do them homework differently. Right? I learn from the chill of the way them get, know what danger play them and everything. They see fast, they know say my danger man, so them try kind of look tight upon him and try to lock him down look better. But regardless of what, if we have a natural attacking talent, if we go out there, I think we have more unlock with natural resources than we have. Then we play a defensive ball game. It no matter how you look upon it, you know, if you have a defender play forward, I still 4 and 5 defenders up on the field. So feel natural instinct if you defend and that's for attack. If you understand what I say, that kind of hold back the wall, set up on the thing.
You get what you say. And as I said before, them did their homework because boy, Cephas look lost in a ball game, Bailey look lost in a ball game. Yeah. But to be honest, I think it brings up a bigger point in that we too reliant on our wing player them in terms of creating chances. And yes, Head never did this, a midfield never as smooth, but you should have seen something better from a midfield today, you know?
True, and as I said here again, I think Guatemala still do them homework. That my take. Them come out excellent, Guatemala play a good ball game. So that's how they take on it still.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Respect, boss, respect.